Hello and welcome to the Titus Timeout podcast. I'm Jenny Abney-Civey, and this week I'm happy to announce that we launched our new website. We're way excited about it, so for today's podcast I wanted to take you on a quick website tour. The new look is clean and bright and it's super easy to navigate. Now I'm not going to click through everything because you know how to use a website, but I want to click around on some of the cooler features. So this is our home page. You can see it's all clean and fresh looking. In the bottom right is our corporate commercial. If you haven't seen it, you really should click on it. It's very cool. Let's go ahead and start looking at the menus. The About section gives you a little information about the people at Titus and our company. You can learn about our speakers and lead APs. There's even a picture of me down here. Clicking on the Comfort Zone takes you to our page about our lab and training facility, which we call the Comfort Zone. You can click on each of the blue expandable bars and it tells you about each section in our lab. You can even do a Google Map tour through our building, so just click the link. I'll open it in a new tab. It'll take you into Google Maps. Let's scroll back a little bit. And now you can look around the lab and see what our training facility looks like. You can even walk through it just like you can in Google Maps and move throughout the building. You can see some of our display stands. Over here is our raised floor area and another display. Okay, let's go back to the website again. So the most popular area of the website is the electronic catalog, our products section. So let's click on products. And it takes you into the products catalog. As we started to work on the redesign of the website, it became clear to us that our old website was easy to navigate only if you knew exactly what we called everything. For instance, you had to know that an Omni was an architectural diffuser and not a square diffuser. So we set out to make a site that everyone could use to find exactly what they were looking for. And so how do you do that? You use pictures, lots and lots of pictures. So let's look at the diffusers. So I do a lot of online shopping, and it occurred to me one day while I was buying shoes that I didn't need to know the name of the shoes to find the ones I wanted. All I had to do was look at the pictures and the filters. So that's how our product section is designed. When you come into diffusers, you can see all the diffusers. You can scroll down and just look for the one you want. You can see we have everything here: critical environment, we have dampers, accessories, CTs, MLs, and so on, all the way down to our TDCs and TMSs here at the bottom. But now you can start narrowing that down. You can click lay-in ceiling, and you can see we've dropped down from 200 something to 60 something diffusers. Or you can click NT and narrow it down even further. Now these are the diffusers that fit in a lay-in NT ceiling. But if you know exactly what model you want, then you just type it in here. We'll type Omni, and you can see now all the files and models associated with Omni. You could click on that, and now we're on the Omni product page. We've got some nice installation photos here, and you hover over them and can see bigger versions of them. Down here we have these icons, so we're using this throughout our new catalog that's coming out soon and all of the catalogs we've done recently. So you can look and see what is metric, what is offered in wood grain, etc. Clicking on the blue bars expands those sections, so you can see all the case studies associated with the model, catalog, literature, multimedia. We have a lot of smoke videos. So this is a smoke video of the Omni. It allows you to see the air pattern of the diffuser. Let's go back, and so now you can see the rest of the tabs and the submittals. So those are the product pages. They'll have all the information you need that's associated with that model. Let's look at the software tab next. Under product selection, you can download the Teams selection program, and we've also added several videos to show you how to use Teams. Our Revit files are also under software, so you can get Revit files for our terminal units, grills, diffusers, displacement ventilation, underfloor, and chill beam. Under the literature menu, you can download PDFs of all of our literature. So you can see the different types of brochures, flyers, case studies. You can click on them and you can get a PDF. And so you can see this is our DFW case study. Let's close that. Scroll back up. So one more thing I want to show you is the smoke videos. So we have a lot of smoke videos under digital media. So you can see all the videos we have in one place. We'll click on this one, it is the EOS video. And it shows how the EOS changes position from cooling to heating mode when it senses a change in the supply air temperature. So let's go back to the website. So you can check out all the things in the different menus. There's only one last thing I want to show you, and that's the Find a Rep area. So if you go to Find a Rep, and then you can either select a state or do a zip code. We'll select Georgia. And you can see these are the reps in Georgia and their contact information, or you could type in a zip code, and it'll show you the rep that handles that zip code. So we hope that you find the new website as awesome and easy to navigate as we do. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for taking a time out with us.